Me tell Queen it.
Yeah.
Me want the putty.
Yeah.
Queen, me go look for me auntie.
Yeah.
She take me 150.
Yeah.
After me tell Queen it. Me no
Yeah.
want a 150.
Yeah.
She a go buy me out with my round.
Fuck, Ray. Fuck, Ray.
Queen, you gonna tell me so now.
Yeah.
Me fi take it from back bag.
Yeah.
I put it over me put it.
Yeah.
Then she a gonna tell me to now me put it
Yeah.
in me put it.
Yeah.
Then she a gonna tell me to put the thing in but it a put it.
Yeah. Fuck, Ray.
Look on it about you now. Which bomb blood y'all wear this a big boot.
Fuck, Ray.
Hey sir. Now me put it.
Mama. Come on, yo.
Damn, help me please.
Wait.
DJ, what go on? You good? How you feel pain? Same way.
Me there.
You feel pain?
Me there.
John star performance of Valiant Party. We can't believe you drop off a stage. So what you plan for do now?
Me say me call me liar. Me say not a summons.
Someone send out a summons.
To Valiant and his team.
Yeah, so you plan to sue them? I don't know what you're doing.
I break my ribs.
You break your ribs?
My ribs.
John star. Sorry for you that DJ.
You bet me stammer.
You make it stop. John. Alright.
Me all like you talk. So excuse me.
John, alright DJ. I say alright. I push your gold pack here.
You have something this. Look how wicked. Bucknut! Elvis, I forgot go here. Elvis, I can't go back.
Tell him to drink liquor too fast today. I don't drink liquor slow.
I don't drink liquor slow. I'm going to do something that can happen in the father.
You can't manage.
I'm going to go up in that car now.
I
Funny,
forced
I forgot to drive the door.
my Mr. Drink 7 o'clock and I'm 7:15 in junk. Boy! Why shock?
Yo. Roger Mix.
Why
I can't believe it. 6 still real. Ah!